Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to come on and share with you all my new camera that I gifted myself for reaching 10,000 subscribers and also a Christmas gift to myself. I have been researching new vlogging cameras for months now. I literally reached out to all of my friends on YouTube who vlog or just do regular videos, just asking them like what cameras they use, if they like it, you know, just getting some information. I'm sure I got on a lot of their nerves because I was just asking so many like questions about cameras. But I did end up getting a camera that none of them recommended. So before I get started, I'm gonna go ahead and insert a clip for you all of me unboxing my new camera. So yeah guys, I ended up getting the Sony ZV-1 vlogging camera. I chose this one because Sony specifically designed this camera for vloggers and content creators. It has like all the little details that you need in a camera when you're doing vlogs. I love that Sony like made this specifically for vloggers. I researched the heck out of this camera. It is newly released by Sony. Like it literally just released maybe like 8-9 months ago. It is one of the more affordable vlogger cameras, but in my opinion, it was still an investment. But if you're someone that's like really into cameras, I'm not that person. I'm not very tech savvy at all. This is more along the lines of an affordable vlogging camera. I also like that it came with a remote tripod. You do have to buy this separate, but I feel like it was necessary because you can actually control the camera with the tripod. I am using the camera right now, so let me know what you guys think. I have not really tinkered with the settings or anything like that, so if the lighting seems a little off or if the sound seems a little off, just be patient with me. I am still learning this camera. I am completely new to this whole camera thing here on YouTube. I've literally used my iPhones to record every single video that you guys have seen on this channel. So prior to me getting my iPhone 12, I used my 10. Prior to me getting my 10, I used my 7. So every single video that you guys have ever seen on this channel has been recorded on my iPhone. It's a question that I get a lot here. People always ask me what I use to record. Even recently, you guys have really noticed the quality has gotten better, and that's because of the 12. To be honest with you, all you really need is your iPhone. I'm just being completely honest. And that's why it has taken me so long to get a camera, because my phone has just been so convenient to do all my videos. Now, the downside to using your phone to record, there are several, but just a few for me. When I'm recording and I get a call, it stops recording and then I have to kind of start over. So that can be a little bit annoying sometimes. Also, because I take a lot of different clips throughout the week when I'm doing like weekly vlogs, it can really like clutter up your phone. It uses up a lot of storage. So if you are just getting started with a channel and you want to do vlogs and you're going to be on a go, just use your phone. That's all you need. I tell people this all the time. Like, you don't need a fancy camera. You don't need fancy lighting. I, for the most part, use natural light. I do have a ring light, but I hardly ever use it because I never record at night. So yeah, use your phone. That's all I've ever used, and it works just fine. I will still use my phone when I'm like out and about and I don't have my camera with me, or if I just want to get something really quick, because again, your phone is always in your hand, your phone is always with you. So I'll definitely keep using my phone when I need to, but I wanted to get a camera for better quality, better sound. I wanted something that I can kind of hold everything, like all my videos and photos in one. So yeah, guys, I'm like officially a YouTube vlogger now. I'm kidding. But anyway, I just wanted to come on and share that with you all. I will do a review on this later on down the road. I did end up going with the white. It comes in black and white, but I thought that the white was just so different and it's just so pretty, and I just love the way it looks. It's just so nice, and you don't really see vloggers using white cameras that much, so I'm sure it's gonna probably stand out more when I'm out and about vlogging, because it's just so white and you could just like see it, but it's so pretty. I love the little a wind mic that's white, so I like that. It's just like a little bunny. So far I'm really enjoying it. Like I said, this is my first time recording on it. I do plan to vlog this weekend, so we'll really be able to test it out. Today it's snowing and it's like very cloudy, so if it seems a little dark, that's why, because it's snowing outside right now. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you all. Let me know what you think of my new camera. So far I'm really enjoying it. Again, I will kind of do an update and a review on it as I'm using it, as I'm vlogging with it. Let me know what you guys think as well. Also, if you have this camera and there are some things that I need to know about it, let me know. So yeah, guys, that's all I wanted to share with you all today. If you guys have any questions or comments, just listen below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.